Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejala Ubalak Menrumpui hagisngi palai jong katayau ula pentim banadu ke arpawai tarik menta ubenai nailur ke kena skul kilak banlet cek skul ban panjing arab nekinu hikai hape ke syamjing ya kenu ke subjek hendrai an amsyak pat ban penlong skul pura kum baju long hakipur bompat don ke jingpang COVID-19.
Habayakran bagi lat patai kubur ubah lak menremboi ula pentip bagi sorkar pedeng kelasya aki kena ke besyong haka kelas 9, 10, 11 bat 12 bagian let mi iski skul ban panjing erap ne jing patai ne kinu hikai habakim sengutho ekanu ke subjek. Ula ong bawala ke sorkar kelasya aki kena ban let mi iski skul henrekin hapat ban bot renti igi jing betha jong ke sorkar haka bedai bat ka klam COVID-19 bat ki kena aki belet ceki skul ken hak ban yo jing bet daga jing tho nalaki kimegi kpa. Ubah lak menrumboi ulong bagi skul ken haban penti kena bagi kena ken haban syong jengai iwe ni iwe pat nalor ban penti kena bakin senret dawai ki skul bat om dei ban penlong kelas tek tang ban syajing batai ka subjek ka bagi kena kem sengutho. Ha ka dei bak jing temu ban ple pura ki skul nak liang ubah lak menrumboi ulong bak tenat home affairs jong ka sarkar pedeng keladap ban penmi ek jing penbena bagi skul ken haban kang kerdap chua haduk kalai potrik menta ubnai. Bacisian bakat nat kala penmi ekajing penbena ban sedang pleno eki skul ke sorkar ru kan penmi ekajing penbena kat kum kejing don kam. Nalor kania ulong bakat nat Pulih Putih bat ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kala pelat ya ke website jongki ya kilen nong pulih naga syllabus kenang bagi nong hikai kentip aka ke bagi devan hikai bat ki kena skul ru kentip aka ke bagi devan pulih bat kinu ki benta balaweng no.
Kajing syai ke long takan ki skul ke devan pulih hendai om ki kelas. That is number 1. Kabaar kajing lek jong ikna school kadai voluntary kam dei kaba don bapambor bat ki kemik pagi hapsain ya kan dertiking ba ki sya ya ki khun jong ki ba kin lek wat jing tip school ya kinu nu jidan kam ki jong ki kabalai kalong ba ki kumo amne kim dei ki normal class ki dei tang ka consultation ka handrai ka we ka bangin skothu kalong ba ka social distance kini maintain ki school di sanitize but ki protokol mo amne ki bayday bat ka haka jingbit jingbiang ki dei ban bot but sakawe ka ba nga kwa ban banjur ba amday ki class kamot kadei ka jing sulai wat jing tip lalon kino ki ba kim tip tang ba ki no hikai ki dei ban don ha ki school khnang ba lada ki khna ki wan kim dei ban do ban kali na ki no hikai ya kano no jinun kam ko chongki ya ki e ki lesson plan ki e ka ba kin le khnang ba ki no hikai kin tip bat ki khna school ro kin tip ya ka e ka ba kin pule tengan batai phi mentangam don ki part klar yu tang baro ki ne ki jing tip ngin sa upload hapo ka website jong ka education department bat kumjo ka website jong ka emboss bat naka emboss kin pha shaki school kiba dei bat ka kiba affiliate bat ka khnang ba kitu ki school kin tip ban download naka tu website ba kin hikai ro kin tip ya ka e ka ba ki dei ban hikai bat ka e ka ba ki dei ban le kita kat ban pal sedang yagi school nginam la ban ya kren nang ta ki selection nam ta exam nang ta ki den ta kadang pd kan ka arphuwe hado life arphuation neng ka de tangka nam ta class 9 10 11 and 12 kataru voluntarily kam de ki normal class anda la ban resume ya ki normal class ta hakata ka por la ban plan kumnong in le ya exam kumnong in le ya promotion jagi khna hakan no kador bat kumno bangin le pa de gitu ki bahapo ka class 9 sharum ya kata ngin sekren hadin
Hagawai pat kaliang ubah lakmen rumboi ulah pentip bagi University Grants Commission kelap priang ya kejengker pat jong ke sorkar Meghalaya ban pendap no ek eksamen final semester jong ke postgraduate bat undergraduate hapo ka kanru terek urisau arajar arpo haga jela Meghalaya. Ulah pentip bagi University Grants Commission kelap priang ya kejeng terwa jong ke sorkar jela bat ke skul ba North Eastern Hill University Nehu kan penlong ya ki eksamen haka nyo kendai khatar khatsau bat kanru terek urisau. Badai result dari ban penmi hapo ubnai risau arajar arpo. Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ulong bakanehu kadai ban penmi no ek rutin jong ek eksamen final badai ek eksamen undergraduation on penlong leng ba online mode bat kumjo ru leng ba offline mode. Kat baik eksamen post graduation on penlong bet tek tang leng ba online mode. kat kum gejing ong jung u kidan arpu ar hajar ngot ki kena ki bani konik examen undergraduate but ar hajar ngot pat ki bani konik examen postgraduate.
We have taken a decision that having seen that the rise of this COVID-19 and taking into consideration also that the Supreme Court ruling that exam to get a degree exam is a must. So we have, after consultation with the NEHU authorities, we have written to the UGC that we cannot do the exam within the 30th of September. So kindly allow that all the exam for the final semester will be completed before the 16th of October 2020, and the result will be declared by the end of the month. So yesterday, the UGC has replied to the Principal Secretary Education that it is agreed to the date proposed by the government that exam will be complete not on the 30th of September as per the notification of the UGC, but extended till the 16th of October 2020. So the NEHU or the university will issue the routine accordingly. As we know, the NEHU has already informed that the exam will be held on the 7th, 9th, 12th, 14th, and 16th of October. So accordingly, they will issue the routine, and they have to take all the necessary steps so that there will be no hiccup in conducting this exam in the midst of this pandemic.